Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're building a humidity alert system using an Arduino, a DHT11 humidity sensor, and an LED. This project helps you monitor air humidity, and when it goes too high, the LED turns on automatically. Here is what you'll need: Arduino Uno or Mega, DHT11 humidity sensor, 220 ohm resistor, LED breadboard, and jumper wires. Let's wire up the circuit step by step. DHT11. Sensor, VCC to 5 volts on Arduino, GND to GND, data to digital pin 2. LED connection, a node to digital pin 7 via a 220 ohm resistor, cathode, short leg to GND. Once everything's connected like this, you're ready to upload the code and test the system. Let's code, and here is the epic montage. Code breakdown. First, we include the DHT library and define our sensor pin and LED pin. In the setup, we start serial communication, initialize the DHT sensor, and set the LED pin as an output. We read and print the humidity and temperature every 2 seconds. If humidity goes above 70%, the LED turns on. Otherwise, it stays off. Let's test the project now. I'm going to breathe near the sensor to increase the humidity. And there it is, the LED turns on. This shows high humidity in real time. That's our humidity alert system with Arduino, a practical project for weather monitoring, indoor plant care, or environmental experiments. If you like this build, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more cool tech projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.